everybody, Wilton Hunt over here. By now, about 63% of the people are using this little tiny device to surf the internet. So Google is switching how it ranks websites, indexing the website, indexing it from the mobile version of the website rather than the desktop version of the website. What does this mean? That means that if your website is not mobile friendly yet, then unfortunately you might be penalized going forward. And this mobile first index been out there for a couple of years already, and Google knows that not everybody's website could be mobile friendly, but slowly giving business owners time to do that. But by September of this year, it basically is, hey, too late. We're gonna change to mobile first index. That means if your website is not mobile friendly, you still have a desktop version that's not mobile friendly, then unfortunately you'll be deranked. So what you want to do is make sure first of all your website is responsive in design, and you don't have a separate desktop and a separate mobile site. You gotta have only one website that is responsive. Responsive means you only have one website. It renders well, it looks nice on desktop, looks well on iPad, looks well on little tiny, doesn't matter which mobile device you use. And I'm a little astonished that this survey done by Moz shows that 33% of the companies are not prepared for mobile first indexing yet. So a homework for you is make sure you work with a web developer to make sure that your website is already mobile friendly, and be ready for that algorithm shift that starts in September. It's basically shifting all websites. It already started doing that. Those websites that are mobile friendly, it's already being indexed on the mobile side, but it's basically going to transition everything to mobile first index. So make sure your website's mobile friendly.